In this video, we will be demonstrating the difference between a Fireline foam pump and a Timing Gear foam pump. In order to test each pump, we recorded the decibel levels as well as placed a microphone 15 feet away from the test area to capture the audio. This is the audio from that test scaled down by 50%. For our tests, we recorded the average decibel levels of each pump at 4 different points around the pump and at 3 different PSIs. The Timing Gear pump was recorded at an average of 106.6 decibels. At over 106 decibels, this pump is as loud as your average rock concert. Compare that to the Fireline foam pump. Here's the audio from the Fireline pump scaled down by 50%. As you can tell, the difference is major. The Fireline pump was recorded at an average of 99.6 decibels. This is about as loud as a gas-powered lawnmower. To the human ear, the Timing Gear pump is almost 2.5 times as loud on average. For more information, please visit firelineglobal.com or email us at info@firelineglobal.com. Thank you.